Check out pot stock Tilray lighting up on the back of a monster earnings report. The company posting a surprise profit this quarter, announcing a distribution deal for their hemp products with Amazon's Whole Foods. Tilray also reiterating its plan to hit $4 billion in revenue by 2024. That compares to the roughly $650 million analysts were projecting for this year. So, Tim, what did you make of these numbers?
I thought the numbers were as expected, especially in terms of the top line and the profitability. And I'll say this about Tilray. They continue to be one of the most profitable companies in cannabis. And at least from an adjusted EBITDA perspective, that asterisk we know because some of the tax issues on the sector. I think this Whole Foods deal is very important. Again, they're Manitoba Harvest brand to be in these stores. This is the distribution. This is where I think Irwin Simon shines. And I think, people have not given enough credit for also acquisitions in the spirits and the beer industries that are accretive and balance sheet accretive, and that their European business is truly also well ahead of the competitors. So people like to point out that the Canadian market is not the U.S. market. I agree. They have some at least derivative exposure to the U.S. that could happen. And I think the legislation in the U.S. is not a question of if, it's certainly when. And I think this company is very well positioned. But again, everybody talks about having a brand in the space. And if there's a company that's going to have a brand, I think Tilray and Irwin Simon will have them there.